Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm a health educator with UT Physicians. Thanks for joining us today. Today in our gardening class, we're going to talk about cilantro.
As you can see, these are some cilantro plants that are ready over the season. The best time to grow cilantro plants are in October, in the fall. And most of the time you can get the cilantro plants, you can buy them from Home Depot or any kind of nursery. And so through the whole winter and even spring, you can enjoy an abundance of cilantro. And basically what happens is cilantro plants are cool season plants, and that's why they grow well in the winter time. And today is April the 20th, and so by this time of the year, cilantro plants will start bolting. Bolting means they start getting old, and then they start flowering. So this is how the flowers look like, the white pretty flowers. And I usually save a couple of cilantro plants for them to bolt and to grow old, so they will begin to flower. And then after the flower is over, they will the flowers will turn into seeds. These are the cilantro seeds. Actually, the cilantro seeds are actually called coriander. Actually, this little, what I do with the cilantro seeds is I save some of the seeds for the fall, for the next season, to grow more cilantro plants. And then at the same time, I will also allow these cilantro seeds to grow real old, and they will turn brown, just like this. They will turn brown, and then the seeds will turn brown. And that's when the seeds turn brown, that's when they become cilantro. And what you do is you pick up all the brown seeds. It will be another couple of months, they will start turning brown. And then what I do is I kind of rinse them, and then I kind of pan dry them in a pan, and they're very, very fragrant. And then I just store them to use as herbs, to use as spices. And some of the one of the easiest ways to keep your cilantro fresh in your kitchen is to when you have a cilantro, your cilantro, you want to put them in a container, in a little container of water, and just put the cilantro in the fridge. And that way your cilantro will stay fresh for a long time.